Hi, Auntie Sophie. You wanted to see me?
Ja, Joe. Joe, wat gaan aan?
What do you mean?
Ek hoor jy sukkel so verskriklik. Finansiëel maak jy dit nie.
Yeah, it's been difficult the last couple of months. We're struggling to pay all our bills.
Hoe difficult? Jy het hele blikkies katkos. Do you have to use both sides of one ply toilet paper?
Well, maybe not that extreme, but...
Joe, just tell me what you need and I'll tell you how to get along without it.
The way things are going, I'll end up like Eric.
An alcoholic with bad breath that doesn't know what soap is for?
No, homeless, living on the streets, begging for handouts.
Ends up like me. The ends up like me, he needs a lot of luck, Joe.
Really?
Yeah, a lot of bad luck.